Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. You may think that you'll be sacrificing comfort if you go with a pair of knee-high, high-heeled boots, but you will not be with this beautiful pair of boots from AIUNIIND. I was really impressed immediately on seeing these because although they're not real leather, they look absolutely stunning. You can see the grain on them, they're super soft and supple, and they're really easy to put on as well. The side zipper goes all the way down to the bottom, so it makes them really easy to pull on and to take off. The boots also are really wide around the calf area. I would say that you would have no problem thanks to this wide area at the top that really will fit over any calf. The boots are also super comfortable to walk in because they have a really thick block heel. But even though it's a block heel, you really won't sacrifice in how beautiful they are and definitely not in comfort. The boots are not lined, but they're really warm to wear, and I love how they look whether you wear them with a dress or a skirt. Even with pants, they look really, really gorgeous. These boots are so comfortable to walk in. I was able to wear them all day, walking outside and inside, and I have to say I'm so impressed by not only how beautiful they look, but how comfortable they were as well. But that's just my point of view.